put it into the thing to cutter. Cutter. I'm trying to make a goggles of goggles. Welcome to Learning League. Guys, we're doing the pony. And look
at we're doing Puffy Paint today.
Puffy Paint.
Yeah.
And we're
Puffy Paint.
And we're making
We're going to make a unicorn. What does unicorn start with? What does the word, what
A.
does A? Think about it.
Play.
Unicorn. All right, start painting.
Okay. First, we need glitter in the slime.
You going to put all the glitter in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I mix it up?
Yep.
Mix, mix, mix.
Is it glittery?
Whoa, look at that.
Wow, that is cool.
So cool. And now we need googly eyes, but I need to feel it first.
You got to paint with it.
Oh.
We have a paintbrush. So paint your unicorn and then we'll put your eyes on your unicorn.
How do unicorns? A horn. A horn. A big horn. And big face. Looks like a and a big horn.
I love that. That looks just like a unicorn.
Okay. Can we put the eyes on?
Yeah, but you got to have something for it to stick to.
We need glue.
You got to put the eyes wherever your paint is so that it sticks.
Okay, so.
There you go. Good idea. Good problem solving.
Put it on. Okay. And the second.
Oh, that is adorable, Soph.
Oh, no.
Look at that unicorn she made.
I want glitter. And a very good legs.
Legs?
Do unicorns have that many legs?
Unicorns can have whatever you want to put.
I want glitter. Can you give me more glitter?
That was all the glitter that we're going to use today. We got to save some of our glitter.
I can put googly eyes right here too.
Yeah, let's just use the two, okay? So paint him in a scene. What is he doing?
Looking at the sun.
Oh.
He's looking at the sun.
Move your bowl.
There.
I love that.
And he has a sad face.
He has a sad face? Why does he have a sad face?
Because the sun is going down.
Oh.
And it's nighttime, like this. How am I drawing moon? A crescent moon.
There you go. Good job.
A crescent moon. And the sun is going down, so I need to cover it up. No sun. But he's still happy.
Good.
We can't eat the slime.
No, we can't eat the puffy paint.
I really want to touch it.
Yes, you can touch it.
Okay.
Do you want to finger paint on another piece of paper?
No.
Or do you want to finger paint on your unicorn?
Okay, here we go. Can I? 1, 2, 3. Oh,
Whoa.
yeah. Oh, yeah. It's definitely slime. Like this. It's not slime. But I feel the glitter. Can I just finger paint?
Yeah.
His eyes.
Here, why don't we do a different piece so that we can keep your pretty unicorn? Okay.
But
put your unicorn over here to dry and you can paint another one.
Can I do my hands?
Yep.
We have to get all this. Get all that glitter on the paper. And some pouring. And some squeeze.
I love the color that you made. Sophia picked blue and it came out a light baby blue and I love that color.
A baby blue?
That's what you call light blue, is baby blue.
And fold the paper. Fold it again.
I can see the glitter
Why?
in your paint. I really like it. You want another piece of paper?
I'm glitter. Look at that.
Very cool.
I'm making a goggles.
Goggles.
But I need some holes in the goggles. So I need some holes in the goggles.
We might have to wait till it dries to put holes in them.
Why?
Because it's a little wet. It's just bendy right now. We'll wait till it dries and then we'll try to put some holes in it, okay? You want to make another piece of art with your puffy paint?
There's some for... I can make a cupcake.
Oh, that's a good idea. Unicorns and cupcakes. That sounds delicious.
A rainbow cupcake.
Oh.
So we need... La, 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 la. La, 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 la. I don't... And dots. Okay? I have to get my hands ready. Pop, 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 pop. It's right. So I can do that and pour a little bit on it.
Puffy paint.
Puff it everywhere.
Do you know why it's called puffy paint?
Why?
Because it has a little bit more texture than regular paint.
And that's why it's cutter than to puffy paint. And I can put it in there. Can I pour a little bit on it?
Sure.
You spread it around. I'm making another pile of goggles because I want to make 3 goggles for each of us.
That sounds good.
And where's my other goggle?
It's right there by you, under your arm.
2. And now I need another goggle.
Okay. There's another piece of paper. Where do you wear goggles at? Is it to swim or just to have?
I'm making it for the next of my the next of my.
All right, guys. Well, thank you for joining us for our puffy paint. We'll see you next time. Ooh,
I'm trying to make a
messy
goggle.